What is drip irrigation? Imagine every drop of water falling precisely where it's needed, like arrows hitting their targets. No excess, no thirst left behind. This is the philosophy of drip irrigation. Less water, greater results, and smart management of every root-seeking life. What is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is a watering system that delivers small, controlled amounts of water directly to the root zone through emitters, drippers, attached to a main pipe and thin branches. It reduces losses, improves plant growth, and is considered one of the best solutions in water-scarce environments. Main components of the system: water source, tank or public water network, pump, to raise pressure to the required level, filters, sand/disc filters to prevent clogging of emitters, pressure regulator, to stabilize pressure, e.g. 1 to 1.5 bar, valves, for opening and closing and dividing irrigation zones, main and branch pipes, to transport water to lateral lines with emitters. Each emitter releases a small flow, e.g. 2 liters per hour. Timer/controller, usually programmable or based on soil moisture. Flush lines, to clean line ends and remove sediment. How the system works: 1. Water enters the pump, then passes through a filter that removes particles. 2. Pressure is regulated and water is distributed to the main pipe and its branches. 3. Emitters release consistent droplets directly to the root zones. 4. Moisture spreads in small circular wetting footprints around each emitter. Advantages of drip irrigation: water saving, reduced evaporation and surface runoff, improved productivity, accurate delivery of water and nutrients to the roots. Weed control: dry areas remain unwatered, fewer leaf diseases, leaves remain mostly dry. Automation friendly, can be managed with timers or sensors. Limitations and precautions: emitter clogging, if water isn't well filtered. Need for precise design to avoid major pressure differences. Soil type sensitivity: sandy soils require closer emitter spacing. Design steps: in brief: 1. Determine the plant's daily water need, liters per day. 2. Choose emitter flow rate, e.g. 2 liters per hour. 3. Set spacing between emitters and lines. Sandy equals closer, clay equals wider. 4. Calculate total flow for each zone to choose pump and filter. 5. Regulate pressure, e.g. 1 bar for even output. 6. Add a fertilizer injector, fertigation, if needed. Quick example: a field needs 8 liters per day per plant. Choose 2 liters per hour emitter, water for 2 hours per day. Each emitter delivers 2 times 2 equals 4 liters per day. So, use 2 emitters per plant or 1 emitter with 4 hours per day. Installation. Steps: 1. Assemble irrigation station. Pump arrow filter, arrow pressure regulator, arrow valves. 2. Lay main pipe, branches, and lateral lines. 3. Install emitters. Test for leakage and uniformity. 4. Install flush lines at each line's end. 5. Connect the timer/controller and program the schedule. Operation and maintenance: clean filters regularly, weekly, or depending on water quality. Open flush lines to remove sediment. Test water quality, salts/hardness, and use mild acids if needed. Check emitters and replace clogged ones. Monitor soil moisture with sensors or by hand to adjust timing. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Running the system without proper filtration leads to clogging. Using excessive pressure, pipe bursts, or uneven flow. Emitter spacing too far in sandy soil, dry spots and thirsty roots. Undiluted fertilizer causes precipitation and clogging. Quick practical tips for shallow-rooted plants. Place emitter near the stem. For trees, 2 to 4 emitters around the canopy Increase with tree age. In summer, divide irrigation into 2 daily sessions to reduce loss. Use a timer or moisture sensors for better management. Summary. Drip irrigation is an art of giving each root exactly what it needs, no more, no less. With good design, proper filtration, and regular maintenance, you get higher yield, lower water use, and smarter irrigation. See you soon. Omar Syed.